Hey y'all, I have a package from Walmart. I had to place this order because I was super excited to smell the new EOS Pistachio lotion. It's here, so let's get into it. So, out of all of the scents, the vanilla cashmere has been my all-time favorite and my go-to. Like, that's the only one that I've ever purchased. I don't even honestly think I smell the others, but anything vanilla and cashmere is like my dish. I just love the consistency of EOS. Like, it's just super good. I do not get like the oil or the body buttery, all that other stuff. No, I just stick to the lotion. So when I saw the new pistachio, y'all listen, pistachio, I have been falling in love with pistachio. Like, it's just been so good to me. All right, so here is the original, the OG. This is the vanilla cashmere. Needed another one of these. Can't wait. And this is why we're here. Let's get into it. Yeah, this is why we're here, honey. Creme de pistachio. Like creme de la creme, but creme de pistachio. Yes, baby. Oh, let's get into her. I actually want to wear her today to top off my scent combo. So let's break the seal and let's get into the first impressions, like the first initial sniff. Okay, I'm back. I rinsed the bottle off because it was all dusty from all that, packaging and stuff, and I washed my hands. So let's get into it. Now, do they put notes on the back of their stuff? Yeah, so the notes is toasted pistachio, vanilla toffee, and blonde woods. Ooh, y'all. Oh my goodness. If you are a gourmand girly, ooh. Like I said, I was putting it on today with my scent combo. Y'all, it smells like I own and I've smelled a few pistachio fragrances, lotions, body mist, whatever you want to call it. And nothing smells like this, like at all. Very hydrating, very moisturizing. Does all of them have shea butter? Yes. Well, shea better. Yeah, it's called Shea Better 24-hour moisture body lotion. Y'all. Now, I will say it's not as pistachio forward, like it smells toasted, but I also get the vanilla toffee as well. But it's not like a strong pistachio. So if you cannot get your hands on the regular vanilla cashmere, you can go ahead and settle for this one. This one smells good as well. So I'm here to show y'all because I wanted to layer this with good old honey oud. Why? Because it's my business, okay? And y'all know I've had the small bottle and I finally upgraded to the big mama. So we're gonna see how this do. Then we're gonna just do just a little bit of the Carrier's pistachio by Paris Form, just to top it off. Nothing too much. So yes, y'all, scent combo of the day. Get into it. If you have it, let me know what you think. If you have this, let me know what you think. I'll talk to you later. Bye.